Morning everybody, it's Jennifer from Simply Organic. Hope you guys are having a wonderful start to your Monday morning. I hope you've done your positive affirmations. I know that I have. I'm an online certified health, nutrition, and fitness coach. If you guys have been tuning into my videos, I've been giving you some tips and resources to help you stay in that healthy path to living. At Simply Organic, we believe in a very integrated approach to overall health and wellness, including a combination of vitamins, supplements, diet, nutrition, and of course exercise and fitness. So today I want to talk a little bit about unleashing blocked energies. Blocked energies are actually one of the things that can cause a lot of the issues that you may feel on a daily basis. Maybe you're suffering with chronic headaches, migraines. Maybe you are feeling from an ailment, achy bones, achy joints. Maybe you have arthritis. Maybe you were just diagnosed with a chronic illness or disease. Sometimes the root cause of these things can be the unblocked energies that you have in your body. Everything in the earth is actually made up of energy, including our bodies. On a constant daily basis, our bodies actually release and accept energies from the earth. We do accept the positive as well as negative energies. So tapping into the energies in our body is really an important way to attune with ourselves and connect our mind, body, and soul on so many different levels. I know for myself, I tend to practice a lot of different strategies to try to tap in and unleash those blocked energies that I think is causing any issues or pains that I may be feeling, even fatigue or stress, things like that. So I want to talk about 3 things that I practice on a daily basis. While there are so many different ways that you can tap into this and unleash those blocked energies, it's a big topic, so I do just want to focus on 3 of them today. The first one being meditation. Meditation is something that you've heard about for many years now, and it's become so popular within the last couple of years, but it's actually been practiced for centuries, and it's really a way to attune with your mind, body, and soul, connect, and really listen to your body and understand those points of energy in your body that could be causing some of the issues that you're feeling. What I tend to do is find a quiet and peaceful room in my house or even outside in the backyard. Try some meditation music if you want, or any kind of music that sort of relaxes you and helps you to focus in, and just listen to your body. Tune out everything else around you. Tune out all the negative energies around you, and just try to accept the flow of positive energies coming through to your body. What they also say to do is try to focus on a point of light, or you can think about a ball of energy, light of energy that's coming throughout your body. You will start to develop and feel warmth throughout your body, which is a good thing. You may feel tingling, which also is a good thing. There's no right or wrong way to practice meditation, but I do recommend you start trying to make it a daily routine in your life every day. At least sit for 5 to 15 minutes a day and just try to practice a meditative exercise. Try to breathe slowly. Try to find one with your breath, and try to figure out a way to connect with yourself. Like I said, this is a really valuable experience. If you've ever done it, you'll know the benefits. And to really reap the benefits, it's about tuning to yourself and trying to connect with yourself. The second one I want to talk about is grounding. So grounding has a lot to do with Mother Earth. Like I said, everything around us consists of energy, and the earth is the biggest source of energy for our bodies. So grounding is a meditative exercise about accepting the nature and really connecting with Mother Nature around us. So what you can do is go outside in your backyard or even a park, while social distancing, of course. Take your shoes off and your socks off and stand bare feet. Close your eyes and stand in a meditative state and try to accept the energies coming from the earth while releasing down your negative energies. Again, grounding is a great way to really understand how to unleash those blocked energies and tap into the Mother Earth around us and nature's being. So even being around nature is called grounding. The last thing I want to talk about today is Qigong. Qigong is one of the biggest areas that I practice on a daily basis. This is actually a combination of meditation and grounding. It's a century-old exercise used to reap many benefits for people in terms of spirituality, mentally, emotionally, and physically. It helps with balance, coordination, memory. It helps with a lot of different areas of your life as well. So Qigong is really about meditating and about exercising slow meditative movements and trying to really unleash those blocked energies. You will start to feel pain in the areas that you may have some issues with. So I know, like, I have issues with my neck, So when I practice Qigong on a daily basis, I'll actually feel those areas of my neck starting to pain, which is actually a good thing because that means I'm blocking those blocked energies. I also have an unhealed foot injury, so I tend to feel some pain under my feet when I practice. So I know that I'm unblocking and tapping into those unblocked energies. And again, unblocked energies can be related to maybe an unhealed injury that you have from the past, or maybe even an unhealed emotional issue that you have. Maybe you haven't forgiven somebody for something they have done to you or your family. So now is the time to practice all those different areas. So again, there's tons of strategies to practice to really unleash those and tap into those blocked energies. It's also about understanding the chakras. This is a huge topic, so I don't want to get into too much detail today, but we can focus on some more things in the upcoming videos. So I want to just talk about those 3 strategies today: meditation, grounding, and Qigong. If you guys want some more information on any of these areas, and I can go into more detail and like, please reach out to me. I am an online certified health, nutrition, and fitness coach. I've been helping a lot of people just try to find some guidance and put together some plans to help you guys stay on track to live that healthy life as much as you can. At Simply Organic, we are here to support our community's health, and a lot of what I'm telling you is based upon my own experience and others that I've talked to in the community. So I really feel like maybe tapping into some of these tips and resources that I'm giving you can maybe guide you in the right direction and just lead you onto a healthy path to living. So again, thank you guys for tuning into my videos. I'll see you in my upcoming video. Please share with your friends and family, and please keep following me on Facebook and YouTube. Thank you guys so much. Have a blessed day filled with positivity, inspiration, and stay strong and keep practicing those positive affirmations. Thanks guys. Have a great day. Bye.